this is like about 4. But Bioformer, I was meaning to show you, but I didn't really. This one is Decepticon Switchblade. Now, the reason why I say Decepticon, not just because of his assault mode, which is like a Cybertronian jet, because not all Cybertronian jet transformers are just automatically Decepticons. It's just that in Stormbot mode, he kind of looks like a Decepticon, with the evil-looking face and the weapons for hands. I call him Switchblade because, well, his hands are blades. They're basically like swords. But the only reason why is because that's for his vehicle mode. Speaking of which, let's transform him. To transform Switchblade, first we're going to unfold these and fold his back down. Oh, and I forgot to mention, those silver things are supposed to be like missile launchers in robot mode. Then you're going to want to straighten his legs, rotate, fold out the blades so they're like there, put him on his stomach, like there. Then you're going to want to fold his head up, put these panels in front, like a blast shield. And then you're going to want to fold the feet in like this, and put them on there. Then you're going to put the missile launchers there, and the wings right there. And there we have him in Cybertronian jet mode. I like this mode because I'm not really sure. Maybe because it has a big jet turbine in the back, or maybe the like guns. But it just looks pretty cool. My robot mode is the favorite mode of this guy, but I just like both modes. I just like the robot mode better than the vehicle. Anyways, this has been LEGO Bot 4, wishing you good build.